Hi friends, genetics play an important role in the height growth. So if you have tall parents, you are most likely going to be taller. But genetics is just one factor. There are other factors like hormones, exercise and nutrition that can play an important role. With the right combination, you can grow much taller. That is the reason why we sometimes see children growing much taller even if their parents are short. The remedies I am going to suggest are most helpful for children between the ages of 11 years and 20 years. First one is sports and exercise. Actively participating in sports like swimming, basketball, volleyball, badminton and other similar sports can naturally boost height growth. If you are not into sports, there are exercises like Surya Namaskar, Cobra stretch, skipping, hanging to bars, wall stretch, cycling, etc. can also help. These sports and exercises have positive effect on spine, posture and bone health and can contribute to height growth. Second one is nutrition. Food items like eggs, chicken, fish, chia seeds, almonds, milk, cheese, ghee and sesame seeds are rich in height growth nutrients and can make a big difference. The third one is Ayurvedic milkshake. Ayurveda recommends ashwagandha, a popular and most essential herb known to stimulate HGH, human growth hormone. This has been proved too. In this video, I am going to make a natural drink which is very delicious and it can be easily made at home. You need almonds. Almonds are powerhouse of vitamins, minerals and healthy fats that can help children grow taller. Chia seeds. Chia seeds were consumed from ancient times by Aztecs. Densely packed with omega-3, fiber and protein, these ancient seeds are the superfood for endurance, energy and bone strength. Cashews. Cashews are not only delicious but also rich in calcium, zinc, magnesium and protein. Milk. Take whole milk fortified with vitamin D. The protein, calcium, phosphorus and vitamin D is a good combination for bone strength. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is the magical height growth ingredient. Use a proper measuring spoon like this and take exactly 1/8 teaspoon of this powder, which is around 200 milligrams. You can also use a small weighing scale to measure 200 milligrams. It is so easy to make this milkshake. Take 6 almonds, soak them in water for an hour. After that, peel off the skins. Take 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, soak them in a small cup of water like this for 10 minutes. Take 1 cup of whole milk in a smoothie blender jar like this. To this, add soaked almonds, around 6 cashews and soaked chia seeds. Now add 1/8 teaspoon, which is around 200 milligrams of ashwagandha powder. Because you are giving this to children or youngsters, you can add a scoop of chocolate or vanilla ice cream. If you don't want to add ice cream, you can add sugar or entirely skip this step. That's all. Using a powerful smoothie blender, just blend everything. Serve this chilled. This can be given along with the morning breakfast or in the evening. Drink this milkshake once a day. This Ayurvedic milkshake can provide essential nutrition for growing taller, increasing bone strength and energy. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and come back for more interesting videos.